What is up, you guys? We're going to be doing a little bit more work to getting this fitment finalized. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I've already gotten the wheel off. I have the fender roller here. So now it's going to be fine-tuning the adjustment on that to get the fitment right and get these fenders rolled, which I've already started. It's kind of hard to see it, but I've already started to roll. Now it's time to pull them, get them situated where we need them, and then go from there. Hopefully after that's all said and done, I still have to get a couple more things for the turbo kit to finalize the stock math placement, get all that stuff situated, so this car is actually drivable and actually runs good, decent on 7 pounds. But we're gonna go ahead and jump into that now, and let's get to it. Alright, so as you guys can see, starting on this right side, passenger rear, so far so good. As you can see here, it's all coming together pretty well. Couple little spots here and there that I still need to hit, but it's coming together really good. So I had to do a little bit of adjustment on the fender roller to get it to sit just right for my application. So far, honestly, it's doing what I need it to. I don't know if you can tell very much here, but we're definitely getting the fender roll that I was looking for, which is to keep it flat here and pulled, and then I'll have the basic fender flare area here. It's exactly what I was trying to get. I didn't want it to come out and basically with no lip at all on the far side here. So far so good. Gonna jump back into it. No more time lapse for this one. It's gonna be a quick video, but for anybody that is looking to do this, a couple steps and a couple tips for this. First, you want to take a dead blow rubber mallet. Don't use a hammer, obviously. Hammer on paint is not going to work. I mean, if you want to use that, go ahead, but rubber mallet, dead blow are usually the best bets. I already took a rubber mallet to this and hit up this inner fender part of it. I hit that in. It's a little bit easier on the fender roller when you do this, and it also makes it a lot easier for you to get the fender rolled basically the way you want it. Some people try to go for like the most aggressive look they can get. Some just go for a nice simple fender roll and pull. So there's a couple simple things that you guys can keep in mind when doing this. This does come with spacers here. These will go on here if you can't clear your caliper, which I have no issues clearing. But if you do have like a big brake kit, or say you're doing your fronts and you got 4-pot piston brakes, you will have to use that. So it is handy when they come with that. It's nice. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. Should be pretty easy for you to get a hold of and do. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and knock this out real quick and then give you guys the final product. And as a matter of fact, let me go ahead and run around to this side so you can get a kind of general overview of what we're really working with. So this here is no roll at all, and you can see exactly where the tire's at. It's probably, I'd say, give or take about 1 inch out from the fender, which I mean is not crazy, but It does poke quite a lot if you're going to run zero camber, which I do plan on doing if I have to. I have the adjustment on here with the upper control arm to bring my camber in if I want to, which I don't want to. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and knock this out real quick and then get the final product. Alright, you guys can tell it's gotten darker. I got it all finished. Driver's side gave me more problems because there's a small area on the quarter panel where it was actually dented in. Where it was dented in, it actually affects the fender where I need to roll it. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit more work on that side, but we just won't pay attention to that side right now. Won't pay attention to that side. Passenger side came out almost perfect. I still have the car all the way up on the jack, but I'm gonna drop it right now so we can see. Let's see if we can get it like this. Okay, so it doesn't do a whole lot of justice, since this side of the rear end is sitting a little bit different. It's not all level, so you guys can see there. But my biggest thing was this. So as that wheel travels up, it's going to go right past where the fender would have caught it. Now it actually has move. You can see there. Now it wasn't moving like that before I did the fender roll, so that's a plus. But this side we can look at, you can see here, it's kind of indented there and indented there, which makes this part of it look a little goofy. But this one should actually clear as well. So yeah, there shouldn't be no issues with this side as well as the other side. So I guess I can't be too mad about it, but you can kind of see there. Yeah, you can see where it's indented here, indented there, and here. But that's all thanks to this, which, as you can see, the dent follows all the way through to the fender, there and there. So I'll have to do a little bit more work to that, but this is it, you guys. We got it all situated. Now it'll be okay to drive once I get the stock MAF situation set up on the turbo kit. Get that set up for 7 pounds. Route a couple lines differently, and then that'll be good to go. The car will be drivable. So you guys got to keep an eye out for that video. That should be within the next week. I'll try to drop this one tomorrow, which will be Monday for you guys. But other than that, you guys, you know, if you like what you're seeing, hit the like button. If you want to see more of it, subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.